Make money online selling digital products for affiliate marketing. Use AI to make faceless YouTube videos, online courses, blog posts, and ebooks in minutes. Use automated marketing to make $18,000 per month in passive income.
Welcome to your first step towards financial freedom. Like many people, I used to struggle with my finances. I was just scraping by, barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. Within the same week, my car broke down, my landlord raised my rent, and I got fired from my job. I was about to throw in the towel and move back in with my parents, till everything changed when I met a Buddhist monk. It was June 21st, 1991. On a whim, I attended a free meditation seminar at the Fairmont Hotel in San Francisco. There, this aged monk said, "Spiritual liberation requires financial freedom." He said, in the East, this was done by giving up all of your money and becoming a monk. In the West, it should be achieved by making so much money that you are free of any worry and complication. Within 10 days, I had created my first passive revenue stream, making $3,000 a week. And from there, 6 months later, I was making over $100,000 a week to what I have for you today. And this is my method for creating passive revenue streams in just a few hours. Achieving this without a big investment, without risky schemes, I am sharing a simple method for creating turnkey passive income. And I'm bringing this to you because I want you to have financial freedom. My name is Ajahn Sambara, and I'm a Buddhist teacher. And don't worry, you didn't accidentally click the wrong video. I ran a multi-million-dollar company for 24 years, showing thousands of people how to make passive incomes by doing what I'm going to share with you today. This is all from my book that gives you a step-by-step action plan for success. So subscribe now and click on my course link in the description. I will give you a free copy of my book.
Subscribe now and check out an example of a video used in an online course that makes $18,000 per month in passive income. This video demonstrates high-quality, high-value content that effectively teaches people how to make money. And using AI, this video was created in just a few minutes. Now ebooks, blogs, and your own faceless YouTube channel and online courses are within your grasp. Here's the video. Today you're going to learn a proven method for making money from YouTube affiliate marketing called What's in My Bag. I will give a brief overview of what's in my bag affiliate marketing is and why it's a proven moneymaker. To begin, what is What's in My Bag affiliate marketing? In What's in My Bag videos, creators effectively leverage affiliate marketing by selecting and naturally integrating products that resonate with their audience, like a tech vlogger featuring the latest gadgets or a beauty influencer showcasing makeup. Affiliate links are strategically placed in the video description for purchases, with clear disclosure ensuring audience trust. Earnings potential varies based on factors like audience size, engagement, click-through and conversion rates, commission rates, and product pricing. For example, a YouTuber with 200,000 subscribers might earn $600 per video by achieving a 3% click-through rate and a 2% conversion rate with an average commission of $10 per sale. Earnings can increase by featuring multiple products, utilizing recurring affiliate links, and growing the audience. These videos offer a valuable way to engage viewers and generate consistent income through affiliate marketing, emphasizing the importance of relevant product choice and authenticity. What's in My Bag is a proven strategy for affiliate marketing. What's in My Bag videos represent a proven strategy in affiliate marketing due to their ability to create a personal connection, offer organic product placement, and reach targeted audiences effectively. Their engaging and relatable format, coupled with the credibility of the influencer, can translate into significant affiliate revenue, making them a popular choice among content creators for monetizing their channels. The appeal of What's in My Bag videos. Personal connection. These videos offer a voyeuristic peek into someone's life, creating a personal bond with the audience. Viewers are naturally curious about the personal choices and preferences of influencers, making this format highly engaging. Versatility. The concept is adaptable across various niches, from tech and beauty to travel and fitness. This versatility allows creators in almost any field to utilize this format effectively. Authentic showcase. Unlike direct product placements or reviews, What's in My Bag videos feature products in a context that feels authentic and relatable, as they are part of the creator's daily life. Why It's in My Bag videos are effective for affiliate marketing. Due to their organic product integration, where items are presented as part of the creator's lifestyle, enhancing viewer trust. They effectively target specific audience demographics, aligning products with viewer interests to boost engagement and conversion rates. These videos showcase the real-life utility of products, offering a more convincing demonstration than traditional ads. Their personal and relatable nature typically results in high viewer interaction, and the inclusion of popular, searchable terms boosts SEO, increasing visibility and potential affiliate clicks. Let's go through an example. Case study. Emily's Tech Gadgets Trending Video. Background. Emily, a tech enthusiast and YouTuber, decides to capitalize on the What's in My Tech Bag trend. Her channel has 50,000 subscribers, mainly tech-savvy individuals interested in the latest gadgets. Video concept. Emily creates a video titled, What's in My Tech Bag 2023 Top Gadgets You Need. The video showcases various tech items, including a high-end laptop, a portable charger, wireless earbuds, and a smartwatch. Affiliate products featured: Dell XPS 13 laptop, Anker portable charger, Sony wireless earbuds, Apple Watch Series 7. Affiliate arrangement. Emily partners with an electronics retailer, receiving a 10% commission on sales generated through her affiliate links. Performance metrics. Video views, 120,000 in the first month. Click-through rate, center, on affiliate links, 5%. Conversion rate, 3%. Revenue calculation. Laptop sales commission earned, $27,000. Portable charger sales commission earned, $900. Wireless earbuds sales commission earned, $5,040. Smartwatch sales commission earned, $7,200. Total commission earned, $40,140.
I hope you enjoyed that video. The information in the video is great. It was informative, it offered a way for making money, and it gave actionable steps. This is what everyone is looking for: a practical guide telling you how to make money. My way for turnkey passive income is this: selling information products to people who are interested in ways of making money, such as someone who would click on this video. Each passive income stream makes me $18,000 per month. And it only takes a few hours to set up. So subscribe now and click the course link in the description below, and then you can learn about the courses. It's really a workshop, and it's free. And I'll also send you my ebook.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances, where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.